today's video is going to be another video on my cash envelope system. Now, it's not going to be a cash stuffing video, which I'm sure is what you guys were looking for. I did not do a video of my cash stuffing for my second check in December, purely because I was running around like a crazy person before Christmas, and we actually got paid the Friday after Christmas, and there was just a lot going on. So I ended up not filming that, but I am gonna do a check-in, and I've got some special information for you guys, so stay tuned for that. This is my financial journal for 2020. I decided that I'm gonna keep our financial goals, savings trackers, bill trackers, budgets and all of that in this binder. It's in this journal. This is a dot grid bullet journal by the brand Exceed, and it's from Walmart. It was like $7. So I'm gonna quickly just flip through this for you guys so you guys can kind of see what we have so far. So I've got our 3 financial goals for 2020, room to add more if I decide we want to. Then I've got our bill tracker, bill amounts, savings tracker, and then on the next page I have our January budget. But that's not what today's video is about. Today's video is going to be a check-in with my cash envelopes. We are going to do a check-in on what I've got in my cash envelopes as of today, which is January 2nd. So I'm just gonna write this up here. So I will make like a header and stuff for this later, but we're gonna start with each of the sections. So I'm gonna just kind of write them down really quickly. So got Prime. All right, so in Amazon Prime, I obviously should not be spending any of this because it's a bill, but I've got 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, which I believe is about right at maybe $3 short. I'm a little off on that one, but right now, as I said, I've got 15. So we're gonna put that. And then we're going to, then this is where my surprise comes in. So I overpaid on my car payment from my mom. So I've got an extra, I believe I've got an extra $18 right now. I did have an extra 28, but I used 9 of it to go to Hobby Lobby because I wanted to go to Hobby Lobby. So I've got an extra $28 I need to decide what I want to do with. But not only that, I found the cash envelopes that I lost. So we're gonna quickly flip through and see what money sections we have stuff left in. So it looks like I've got money left in gas, which is fantastic. And I've got 20, 40, 50, 60, 162, $64 left in gas, which is great because my gas is costing me way more than I thought it was going to. Then I've got some cash in Christmas 2020, which I believe is, yes, $20. This is just gonna go straight into my Christmas 2020 fund, since I never replaced that when I lost it. And then I still have grocery money, which this is why I was pissed off about my money. It's because I still had grocery money. So we got 20, 35, 36, 37, 38, so I'm just gonna put that straight back into groceries, whatever that is. Okay, and then I've got my Amazon Prime money, which I'm gonna count and see how much is here so I can figure out how off I am. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I believe that it was definitely 15 that I was off, so I'm just gonna set this over to the side for now. Decide what I want to do with that later. And I believe that's all that had money left in it. Yes, that is all that had money left in it. So that means I've got a whole lot of money to find what I want to do. So I am going to go ahead and put this whole $64 into my gas fund, which I need to go put money into my bank for gas anyway. And then that leaves what, almost $40 that I have to find something to do with. So I'm gonna leave that over to the side and we're gonna continue on. So next we've got groceries. So groceries has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 35, 36, 37, 38. So groceries has 138. I haven't spent any of our grocery money yet because I haven't gone grocery shopping yet. I generally go grocery shopping once a month, sometimes twice a month, but usually once a month. But we are running low on groceries, so I will go grocery shopping with this here soon. Then we have other, which has has $5 left in it. So I have definitely used, I think I've used about 15. Then we've got Christmas 2020, which has 20, 40, 65, 75, $80 in it already, which I am really excited about because it's only January 2nd and I already got $80 towards Christmas. We're gonna be having a lit Christmas this year. Not that we don't always, but I get excited when I can do more than I usually do. And then we've got gas, which has a lot, has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50, 60, 163, 64. So we've got 164 for gas right now, which like I said, I do need to take to the bank. All right. And then we're gonna get into car maintenance, which has $40 in it. Haven't used any money from that. I do need to though, because I need to get new windshield wipers. I keep putting it off. I need to just go do it or send my boyfriend with the money to do it. I just haven't. Okay. And then rent/water has none because I just paid that today. And then we've got Toward credit card has 0. Then Amazon, Apple, and Capital One all have 0. And then Navient has 0. And then Capital One has money in it. I know it's not for my Capital One card though. I don't know what I was putting in the Capital One spot, so we're gonna do unless I intended to put that $40 in the bank and make a $40 payment on my Capital One card, which is probably what I intended. So we're gonna leave the $40 in there for Capital One. That way I don't have to worry about it. So Capital One now has $40 in it for next month. So that still leaves me with all of this extra money to figure out what I want to do with it. So because one of my financial goals is to pay off our Visa card by July, I think I'm going to go ahead and put this money towards Visa next month. I'm going to take $3 of it and put it into Prime. That way, I know for sure I've got enough money in the Prime one. And then that leaves us with 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. That leaves us with $27. And I think I'm trying to decide if I want to put it in towards the Amazon card or if I want to put it towards my other section or if I want to put it in savings. Honestly, I think that I'm gonna definitely put it towards Amazon. So I'm gonna count it one more time to make sure I'm not crazy. So we've got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 27, and one more time. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. All right. So overall, for my cash envelope check-in, I really feel like I've got some good amounts going on. Oh, that was not supposed to be on Amazon. That was supposed to be on Apple. All right, and this is where you get to see that my whiteout is definitely not the same color as my paper, which is frustrating, but it's fine. Okay. So anyway, I feel like I've definitely still got a pretty decent amount of money left. None of my categories are empty that shouldn't be empty, which is great. So I definitely think I've done a really good job this month. So this is already my check-in. I get another check on next week. I think we get paid next week. I'm pretty sure we get paid next week. So next week, or in 2 weeks, depending on when this goes up, you guys will get to see another cash envelope stuffing. But I am really proud to say that I think I've done really well with our money to be able to have, you know, and the fact that I found some extra money to be able to still have, you know, $138 for groceries, $15 in other, $164 for gas, $40 for car maintenance. And then to have extra money that I can put in those other sections, as well as still have money to spend. So I hope you guys enjoyed this check-in. I also hope you guys enjoyed the fact that I found my old cash envelopes. I'm gonna keep these. It's after Christmas, but I'm sure at some point I'll probably go back to doing it with these, just because I can add more sections in this than I can this. But for now, I'm liking this because I haven't lost it yet. That's really the only reason why, is I haven't lost this one yet, which is why I like it more. So I am gonna go ahead and get off of here and get ready to head out to go to dinner with my friend. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye.